to create Article 3 demand for
आइजोफोर आं नोंथांमोननिसिम मोनसे गुसुं जे भिडिअ शेयार खालामनो सानदों जे पिआरपिनि आफादगिरि सन्जय कुमार ब्रह्म बे सारा मा खोथा बुंदों जे माखासे बे जे 6 जातिफ्रा जोंनि माखासे ट्राइबेलफोरखौ जे 6 शेड्युलनि सायाव एबा जोंनि माखासे ट्राइबेलफोरनि सायाव एसटि डिमान्ड खालामगासिनो दं बिनि सायाव गोख्रोङैनो मोनसे मेसेज होदों खोनासंनानै लाग्रो रायजोफोर
Hi, this is Ranjit Kumar. So it is most significant all of the Bodo community people as a possible very soon as part guidelines Indian constitutional article 3 continuous going to demand. Nobody can stop to our demand, legal demand, because without union territory cannot be survived in our Bodo community people, because our ethnic culture and language traditional culture too much difference from the Assam people. First, I have questioning who is the Assamese. Assamese is not a single community in Assam. Assamese definition is totally failure. That was big reason for us, and we are going to create it Article 3 demand for Indian government. No union territory, no rest. And Article 3 is most significant all of our Bodo community, and never negotiation easily. Dependent will be fight against as part guidelines Indian constitutional non-violence. Namaskar.